Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am the amazing Angela, and what I do is I share with you simple ways for you to earn our passive income online. So, what you want to do is you want to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember to smash that notification bell so you don't miss out on more training from me. Now, in this video, I will be sharing with you 7 tips that you can use to get the most out of your pro membership in LeadsLeap. So you want to make sure you stick around to the very end and make sure that you've ticked all these boxes. So the first thing, as a pro member, you need to set up at least 5 pro ads. These are very important and powerful way for you to get targeted traffic to your offers on autopilot. To do that, you log into your back office and you simply go to Post Pro Ads, and you can set up 10 ads here. You can see my 10 ads have over 1,000 visits in the last 7 days. And you can set up as many offers as you choose, or you can set up the same offer over and over again. But that's the first thing that you want to do. The next thing that you want to do is you want to set up your credit ads too. So credit ads are typically, you go here to post credit ads, and these are ads where you have to have credits to get views to your site. So you can come in here as a pro member and post your ad. And if you're a free member, you can do the same. Come to post credit ads. And in order to get views to your own ads, you need to view other ads. So you click an ad and then click on it again. You can view the ad for as long as you want. The longer you view it, the more credits you earn, and that's how you can earn credits and views to your own ad as well. Okay, that's the second way. This is how to drive targeted traffic to your offer, and then make sure you provide value in your ad. The next thing you want to do is you want to submit social reviews. So come in here and go to my reviews here, and you can go ahead and add a review. So you can talk about your whatever offer you want. You need to put the main offer, the main link for the offer, your referral link that rotates between the pro members. You rate it, and then when you click here, it actually gives you a guideline as well, and then you can submit for approval. Okay. And if I just go here to read reviews, you can see these are the different ads, the reviews that have been written. So these reviews can be seen by both members within the system and members outside of the system as well. Very powerful. And monetize our pay-per-click program. So you can actually go ahead into your back office, go to PPC earnings, click here, get PPC widget. If you have a website, you can customize it however way you want it to look, and then get a code and then paste this code on your website. Okay, and when people click your ads, the ads that appear on your website, you earn credits. And then the next thing you can do is build your own list and help others build theirs. This is very important because as you're building your list and helping others build theirs, you can set up a followers message, and that can be seen all the way down to 10 levels. So very important. Speaking on that as well, you can come in here to my followers, and you can view your followers. So this is the people that will see your message all the way down to 10 levels. And then here you can actually write a message. You write it one time, and as people log in, you can see these are I am their followers. So I can see whatever message that they have, and I can click on it to have a look at it. Okay. Last but certainly not least, do what I'm doing, right? Bring in referrals, because as a paid member, a pro member of LeadsLeap, you actually earn 50% commissions. So once your referrals upgrade, you earn 50% commissions as a pro member. And as a free member, you earn, I'm not sure how much you earn, but as a pro member, once you refer 2 people, then the commissions that you earn are enough to cover your monthly membership, right? And you can actually use your commissions to pay for your monthly membership with LeadsLeap. Very powerful. So if you are a pro member in LeadsLeap, just go through the checklist, go through the email, and make sure that you have everything set up and you're using the system to its max. If you found value, smash that like button.